informed here. So now we have Ms. Anshika Sharma, और एक well-being coach ने रचित किए हैं. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पर हम लोग आपसे करेंगे. Psychology of self-compassion and self-talk. So tell us how our inner dialogue shapes emotional resilience and wisdom.
Thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. And I would, to begin this discussion, I would first of all like to congratulate each one of you, all the leaders, all the change makers sitting here, because I have learned so much since the morning, because it's important that in our journey of life, we pick up our learnings wherever we go. And I like to look at leadership or healthcare professionals as a responsibility. It's more like a responsibility that we all have on our shoulders, because many people look up to us. We all influence each other. So what we say, what we do, how we live our life impacts the generations and people around us. So it's more important for us to take care of ourselves. कितनी बार क्या होता है जिंदगी में, हम स्पेशली यहाँ पे आई एम श्योर जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत बिजी स्केड्यूल्स हैं, उनके डॉक्टर्स हैं, people who, everybody in Delhi NCR or in the current lives we are living is living a very very busy life. तो कई बार क्या होता है कि हमारे पास we do not have time to take care of ourselves. As she has questioned me about self care and self compassion, तो कई बार हम अपना ही ख्याल रखना भूल जाते हैं. अपने पेशेंट्स के लिए टाइम है, हमारी फैमिली के लिए टाइम है, हमारे पास सबके लिए टाइम है, लेकिन अपने लिए हमारे पास क्या टाइम है. तो यहाँ से आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन for the ones who are listening to me, who are not busy eating and or who are doing both at the same time. कितने लोग यहाँ meditate करते हैं? Just raise your hand. How many of us here are meditators? Okay. ध्यान कौन कौन करता है यहाँ पर? Okay. Great. So we have many meditators here. So how many of us are doing some exercise every day? Regular exercise. 30 minutes minimum, 1 hour. Okay. So we have a few people, not everyone is doing that. So especially for healthcare professionals, I feel it's more important because you are responsible for many people. So it's important that you take out that 1 hour or even 30 minutes every day to meditate, to exercise, to do something which you love. And I'm sure many of us are already blessed to do what we enjoy. I mean, doing what you love and loving what you do should be the motto of our life. And on my journey, where I am currently, I am also on a journey to discover myself. I am learning self-love because many a times it's very difficult for us to love ourselves. हम अपनी गलतियाँ ही गिनते रहते हैं. How many mistakes we have made in our past, and we are not able to forgive ourselves. कितने लोगों ने यह गलती करी है? कोई भी छोटी गलती, बड़ी गलती? Raise your hand. How many of us have made any mistake in our life? Sometimes in a profession, which could be a very high stake, especially. So I'm sure we all have made mistakes in our life. With that responsibility, so it's very important कि हम अपना ध्यान रखें. And you were talking about resilience, right? Emotional intelligence, resilience. So if we talk about resilience, I'm sure we all have been through many challenges. 100%, because especially people who are sitting here, I also have a belief the higher you go up in the ladder of life, you have seen more and more challenges. And those are the ones who never stopped where they had those challenges. So those are the ones who pick themselves up. हम कई बार क्या करते हैं, वेट करते रहते हैं कि कोई और बाहर से आएगा, हमें उठाएगा और हमें लेके जाएगा. But as in the beginning of our talk today, he was sharing that we all are intelligent spiritual beings and we all are empowered to find our own solutions from within. हमारी inner strength, inner resilience इतनी strong है, अगर हम उसको use करना शुरू कर दें in the right way. Even if we start working on our highest potential, we have the power to transform lives. Because I can see many of us are also professional creators here. कई लोगों ने नए professions भी create हो रहे हैं अभी, because we are living in an era जहाँ you can do whatever you want in life. So there is no limit to what you can do. You are the creator. You can build your own profession. Because आज का जो time है, it's not limited to the old way of doing a job. We are living in a world जहाँ पे हमारे पास इतनी opportunities है. अगर हम इसे positively देखें, हमारे पास कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है. हम जो करना चाहे हम कर सकते हैं. We can create our own profession and you can create your own empire through your own profession, inspire others and build more professionals in the same field. I feel that we are blessed and we are living in an era जहाँ पे बहुत हमारे पास opportunities बहुत है, right? So उसको किस तरह से हम use करते हैं, it's up to us. And for people like us, we will be getting many platforms now in future because we have so many young and dynamic professionals here. We will be getting lot of platforms in our journey. उस प्लेटफॉर्म को हम किस तरह से अपनी वॉइस को शेयर करते हैं, वी ऑल आर लर्निंग, राइट? सो हम भी अपनी जर्नी में सीख रहे हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम जो भी हमें डिवाइन ने जहाँ पर रखा है उस जगह को हम किस तरह से उसको एम्पावर करके और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को बाहर लाके खुद को भी डिस्कवर करते हैं, एंड हाउ वी कैन ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट from others and also from ourselves, कि अपना भी हमें better every day, we have to become the better version of ourselves, and that's what my book is also all about. Shine and inspire, bring out the best in you. So if I talk about self compassion, self love, so that's all about खुद को सिर्फ 1 घंटा, just give 1 hour to yourself every day if you are not doing it already, and especially for healthcare professionals I think थोड़ा extra time देना चाहिए. 1-2 घंटा जल्दी उठो, get up at 4 or 5 whatever, and I'm sure many of us are already doing it. So always remember that you have to take care of yourself, और अपनी विंस को भी सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत जरूरी है. हम क्या करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं, एक चीज मिली है चलो आगे बढ़ो. I remember in my journey, अभी मैंने recently एक break लिया. I said I am taking a sabbatical for some time because life is getting very busy. It's like too many things going on in my life. So I thought, okay, I'll take a 1 month sabbatical, just doing nothing. And I started having guilt of doing nothing, and nowadays कोई अगर खाली बैठेगा ना, people are like, you are useless or you're not doing anything. Trust me, many of us will agree, stillness is the best super power. आप 1 घंटा या 10 दिन खुद को एक वेकेशन पे भी जब हम जाते हैं, वहां से वापस आते हैं, we are more charged or in our journey, और हम खुद भी बहुत ज्यादा खुद को empowered feel करते हैं. तो खुद को वो थोड़ा सा टाइम देना बहुत जरूरी है कि खुद को एक स्टिलनेस में थोड़ा टाइम रखिए, एंड देन मूव ऑन इन लाइफ. टेक अ ब्रेक एंड देन यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू दैट सुपर पावर टू राइट, maybe write another book, or for somebody it could be maybe another project, right? And you will have more energy to do more in life. So with that, I would like to thank everyone for listening, and keep shining and inspiring everyone. And thank you so much to our wonderful host today for being here, and congratulations once again everyone.